Good morning, students. I am here with a new topic, degrees of comparison. In this topic, let's learn what are the 3 degrees of the comparison and how to compare it. Now, let's go into our topic. Now, let's see what is called as degrees of comparison. A form of adjective that indicates a different degree of adjectives. Once again repeating, a form of adjective that indicates different degree of adjective. What's the meaning of this one? A form of one adjective that indicates different comparisons. Degrees of degree here calls as comparisons, different comparisons of one adjective. Now, there are 3 types of degrees of comparison, children. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Repeating once again, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now let's learn these 3 types of degrees of comparison in detail. Now, what is called as positive degree? A degree of adjective or adverb offers no comparison. What is positive degree? Degree of adjectives or adverb offers no comparison means in this positive degree, children, there will be no comparison between any of the adjective. Just will be a one adjective word. There will be no comparison between that adjective. A degree of adjective or adverb offers no comparison. Examples are rich, beautiful, tall, short. They are the called as positive degree examples. Next, coming to comparative degree. A degree of adjectives or adverb shows the greater or lesser degree. The degree of adjective or adverb shows the greater or lesser degree. You can see a greater or lesser degree. You can see examples. Richer. The comparison has been started here. Comparison started for comparative degree. Rich in positive degree and richer in comparative degree. Beautiful in positive, more beautiful means comparing to positive, comparative degree will be more higher than positive. Next one, what is superlative degree? A degree of adjective or adverb shows the greatest or least degree. The degree of adjective or adverb shows the greatest or least degree. You can see richest, most beautiful. Now let's see some of the examples for degrees of comparison. Now you can see here there are three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. I already said that there will be no comparison between the positive, only adjectives will be combined in the positive degree, and comparison starts between the comparative and superlative. Now let's see what are the adjectives. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest, young, younger, youngest, high, higher, highest, old, older, oldest, white, whiter, whitest, hot, hotter, hottest, fat, fatter, fattest, late, later, latest, good, better, best. Sorry children, I have written the spelling wrong here. Latest, good, better and best. And you can say the more adjectives here like beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful, tall, taller, tallest, young, younger, youngest. So children, by seeing this all, take some of the adjectives on your own and compare them with the other 2 comparative and superlative degrees. I hope that everyone understood the class today. Let's learn more interesting topics on grammar in the next class. See you in the next class, everyone. Thank you.